How big of a steel beam do I need to span 28 feet? Beam will.
I can help. Let me read your question a bit closer.
Okay.
Do you have any kind of floor plan you can share with me? Is this a roof beam?
It is wide open. The building will be a storage building for hay storage. Actual dimensions 80 feet wide, 128 feet long. Opening will be on the long side, load-bearing side. 20 foot high to bottom of rafters. 4/12 pitch roof. No people will ever be inside, strictly for farm use.
Okay, so this will be for a 28 clear span header in the 128 side bearing wall?
Correct.
I can switch over to the Q&A process to get rid of the chat timer.
Okay.
Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. So are you going to have 80 clear span roof trusses that rest on your outside walls?
Yes, that is correct.
Before we get started, I'd like to point out that a professional engineer's standard of care typically includes a site visit to assess field conditions and get an overall understanding of the structure. This can obviously not be accomplished through the internet. The information provided here is meant for planning purposes only, general sizing and budgeting, and is based on the information provided by you. All loading cases considered are for vertical loads only. No lateral analysis has been completed. The information should be verified by a professional engineer who can visit the site to ensure that potentially important information has not been overlooked or omitted. Hold on, let me run a few numbers and I will get right back with you.
Yeah, I understand that. We are simply doing budgeting at this point.
Based on your supplied snow load of 50 psf, you can use a W16 by 89, 50 ksi, steel beam for your 28 span header. This beam is 10.375 inches wide, 16.75 inches deep and weighs 89 pounds per foot of beam. You will need to have a local engineer detail your connections, size your support columns and determine foundation requirements. Experts are credited for each appropriately rated answer they provide. If you have additional questions, please let me know. Thanks. Good luck with your project.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.